For today's lesson, we're going to be looking at the plate margins. So the crust is divided into different parts, and we know that these are all called crustal plates. So we're going to be looking at the different ways in which these plates move. So let's see if we can identify them based on the names given here. So the first one is the convergent plate margin, and if you guessed that the movement is this one, then you are correct. For the divergent plate margin, if you guessed the movement to be this one, of course you are correct. And finally, for the transform plate margin, if you guessed that the movement is the last one here, then you're correct. So let's now look at a summary of the plate margins. The first one that we have here is the convergent plate margin, and this is when the plates move towards each other. As it says, converge means coming together. So we have one plate in this direction and the other in this direction. Next we have the divergent plate margin, and this is when the plates move away from each other. As it says, diverge, so they're going to be moving in opposite directions, just like this plate moving in that direction and the other one moving in this direction. And the third one here is the transform plate margin, and this is when the plates slide past each other, right? So it can be done with the plates moving vertically. So we have one plate moving like that and the other moving like this, or it can be done horizontally, one plate moving in this direction and the other moving in the other direction. So that's a summary of all three plate margins.